Welcome to Rayline Lasers Factory. Today we will show you the mini 4-in-1 laser welding machine. The laser welding machine comes with 18 different languages. Machine language supports customization, touch intelligent control screen, easy to install and easy to operate. After turning on the machine, set the parameters according to the materials being welded. The same machine does laser welding, cleaning, and cutting. Our laser welding machines can weld almost any metal. Replace the cutting nozzle and the laser cutting machine completes the cutting. Switch the cleaning function in the control system. Now shown is how the laser machine cleans the welded gas. The laser machine can effectively remove paint, rust, oil or dust from all metal. Welcome to visit our factory.